Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and add background to your videos in CapCut for PC. Alright, so import your video and add a track, and to remove the background you're just going to click on the clip and go to cutout, and you can select chroma key or auto cutout. For this video I'm going to select the auto cutout to remove the background. Right. After done, if you want to add another background, you are just going to move up the clip and add the background you like. For example, drag to the track and bottom from clip. Alright, and select the ratio. Alright, and you can resize like so. Right, this is super simple. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.